Hello, respectable audience. I have a question. 9 divided by 3 times 1 times 0 divided by 3. This question can be solved by using PEMDAS principle. What is PEMDAS? It is basically order of operation. First of all, we have to solve parentheses. And here is parentheses. So we will left all other terms and we will solve parentheses first. So we will get 9 divided by 3 times 1 times 0 will be equal to 0 divided by 3. So we have parentheses now. We have to move from left to right. Okay. Here is exponent, but in this question, exponent is not involved. So we have to solve multiplication and division. Now division is at left and multiplication is at right. So we have to follow PEMDAS, but multiplication and division both have same priority. And if multiplication and division both are involved, we will solve the operation which is at left first. So division is at left, we will perform division first. If multiplication were at left, we will perform multiplication. But here, in this case, division will be solved first. So 9 divided by 3 will be equal to 3 times 0 divided by 3. Here is multiplication and division. So we have to move from left to right, and multiplication is at left, so we will perform multiplication first. 3 times 0 will be equal to 0 divided by 3. Now 0 by anything, our answer will be equal to 0. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.